Welcome to Dublin, Ireland. When here, you are of course going to encounter some lovely Irish people. We're famous for our hospitality and our Celtic culture. To us, a stranger is just a friend you haven't met yet, so we'd be happy to chat with you. Of course, everyone in Ireland speaks English, but did you know that Ireland's official language is actually Gaeilge? Still a European language, but very different to the other ones. It can hugely enhance your experience in Ireland if you speak it. You'll read it in bilingual signs all over the country, but to hear it spoken you should head west to the beautiful Gaeltacht areas. Even if you only speak a little, we'd be happy to hear you and give you a hand. The pronunciation based on spelling is a bit different to English, but is extremely consistent, so you'll get used to it quickly. The language flows beautifully because of the differences that seem hard at first. Just try these simple sentences. Conna sa tá tú? How are you? Guma agus tú féin? Well, and yourself? Sláinte. Cheers. Slán. Bye. Even when not in Ireland, you can learn a lot about the language over the internet, and there are many resources online that can help, which I've linked to in the video's description. Once you have a bit, you can practice by entering your Facebook or Twitter status as Gaeilge. Like I could write, I was in Dublin today. If you take every chance to learn a wee bit, you'll be speaking it in no time. So what are you waiting for? Hope to see you soon. Slán agus go néirí leat. Bye and good luck.